Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna do something like this lah. Just a cabinet like this. Okay, outsheet cabinet. So first we may come to this one called system cabinet. Okay, you can drag out this one called superboard. Okay, superboard. Drag out superboard first. Then simple, you just click board selection, or we do the bottom first. Just click on it, right click on this one, panel point editing. Okay, panel point editing. Then import. Okay, we import this one, the bottom, so I'll put this one. Okay, open only, so see the shape. Okay, then click save, then you click return. Yes. Okay, this is one of the bottom part lah. Okay, after drag out the bottom, also create the bottom, then we create the this one. Okay, the body lah. Okay, just sample using back this one called superboard also. Then right click on it, click on this one, panel point edit also. Just import the CAD file also. Okay, click on this one. This one is the body. Okay, so because I draw everything in AutoCAD already, so the shape. Okay, now this one, so I save, return. Okay, so this one I'll just make it 800 lah, 900 lah, simply 900, and move it. So I'll just press that button, move it. Okay, about the dimension, you must adjust ngam lah, this one. Okay, so move here. Okay, so the shape is almost done. Exit. Okay, so another one is on the top lah, this one on the top. Okay, same method, I'll just click, drag this one, board, superboard, superboard, then right click, click on the B, board selection, right click on it, panel point editing, just import the CAD, and click this one, the head. Okay, open. Okay, so I save it, exit, save it. Okay, so this one just use drag to move it. Click on drag button, you can move it, then move it up. Okay, almost there. B, exit. Okay, this one press drag. Okay, move it down. Okay, another one is glass door lah, or this one, the glass door. Okay, so after that we're gonna put this one, the shelf lah, or same method lah. Okay, you may just drag superboard. Okay, then B selection, right click on it, panel point edit, import the CAD. So this time we put a shelf. All the shape I have cut into AutoCAD already. Okay, so just click save. Okay, after that, simple, you will just press drag, exit the B selection, drag button. Okay, move it, rotate it first, rotate it to 90 degree, then move it, in. Okay, move it up, move it down somewhere here. Okay, so after that, just copy, simple, Control V, click on it, Control V, copy another, move up, then move to the middle, again approximate lah. Okay, copy another one, this one move here a bit. Okay, copy another one, Ctrl V. Okay, put on top. Here. Just check. Yeah, and this should be okay. This one move down a bit. Okay, after that, just apply the color lah. Just apply the color. Okay, so I'll change the material first. I'll change the material. This one for the glass, I have one here. Just copy material, Painter, select, then paste it, paste it, paste it. Okay, right click, exit. So for this one, the material, just change it all. Okay, just change it. Right click. Change the material first. Let me change the material. Select here. Then select the material. Let me see which is the material suitable. This one. Okay, then copy the material to the rest. Format Painter, ding ding. Okay, right click. Okay, so after that we're gonna make the glass door lah. Very simple also, glass door. You may just pull out this one. Super part also. Okay, then click V, selection, click on it, right click, panel point, edit, then import CAD, select this one called glass door. Okay, so it's a glass door pattern. Save, return, save. Okay, so same, I make it 800. 800 not enough. Let me check this one is how much. 1600. Okay, so we make it 1600. Okay, after that, exit the board selection, then click Z to move it. Z button. Okay, move it here, rotate here 90 degree. Okay, move again, move in. Okay, before that, before move in, just copy the glass material. Okay, so I'll just click on here, right click, format Painter again, paint it. Okay, right click, exit. So move it back. Okay, something like this. Then okay, we add some lighting lah. Before we render, add some lighting. Oh, this one make it bigger a bit. Make it bigger a bit. Okay. Okay, and add the door here lah. Later I render will be look better. Okay, exit first. Go to crowd, door, single sliding door lah. Just put some sliding door lah. Sliding door outside. Okay. Then do some render. Okay, I put at the back lah. This one put at the back. Just put at the back here. Okay. Do some render. Okay. Click on render, render. Okay, testing, save. See, save, save. Okay, just do some setting here, and default, and do some like thing here. Okay, Okay, choose this one. Okay, confirm bright one. Come down hash and here, then select. Okay, after that come back to here, just click submit. Okay, so a few moments later, ta-da! So you can see almost similar. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.